warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Sri Suryanti for Management Class 2B with NPM 224111. On this occasion, I will explain some material and various division about inventory management. Next, what is inventory management? Inventory management is a process that involves planning, controlling, and supervising the inventory of goods in a company. The aim of this activity is to ensure timely inventory availability cost efficiently to meet customer demand. Effective inventory management helps companies avoid expressive storage costs not due to exploit inventory or inventory shortages that can lead to lost customer. Inventory management is system for managing inventory. How items can be classified and how accurate inventory records can be maintained. Then we will look at inventory control in the service sector. Operation manager around the what have realized that good inventory management is critical. On the one hand, a company can reduce costs by reducing inventory. On the other hand, production can stop and customer become dissatisfied when an item is not available. The goal of inventory management is to determine the balance between inventory investment and customer service. Next, we is inventory management really necessary for a company. Inventory management is very necessary for a company for the following reason. Ensure the availability of goods or material needed to meet customer requests. Avoiding inventory shortages can avoid lost business opportunities customer dis- disappointments and decreased revenue. Optimize inventory levels stability, reducing unnecessary storage costs by attention to stock rotation and expiration dates to prevent inventory from becoming obsolete or damaged. Instead, the company's operational efficiency by managing inventory will having a clear picture of the inventory needed. Companies can plan production, and distribution activities more effectively. Next, we is the foundation of inventory management. The inventory management foundation include 1. Optimizing inventory fulfillment. Next, reduce operation costs, profit better customer service, prevent loss for sovereign reduce and land. Next, factor averaging inventory management. 1. Financial factor here include many things, including grocery costs, tech costs, warehouse operating costs, and fuel-in transformation costs. All of these factors can influence how much inventory you can have in your company warehouse. For this reason, you need to consider all these factors when carrying out inventory management. 2. Supplier can have a big influence of inventory control or management. In general, a successful business will need reliable supplier to plan expenses and manage production. Therefore, make sure you have a reliable product supplier to prevent product that takes delays in the production progress. 3. Lead time. Lead time or waiting time is the time needed to wait to await goods until they arrive. In this case, lead times can vary greatly depending on the type of product and manufacturing process involved. If you can take into account line time, there are possibility that you will out of stock for that. Next, Next, 5. Type of product. Please note that not all products can be stored a long time. Some of them might be actually damaged or even unstable at all. Therefore, you need to manage it to ensure that all your inventory products have a long and long expiration date. Seek management. Other out Other factor that is no less important is inventory management itself. To manage inventory, good comparison is needed from a related artists to supervise the entry stock process. Next, typical of inventory. To accommodate inventory function, compliance must maintain four types of inventory. Raw material inventory, raw material stock. Ingredients that are usually purchased but have not yet entered the process manufacture. This inventory can be assigned to the capable supplier of the production process. B. Inventory of semi-finished goods. Work in process with inventory. The product or raw material component that have been through several processes of change but is not finished yet. C. Maintenance, refill operation, MEO, supplier inventory for maintenance, refill operation required to keep machines and process productive. Inventory management is a planning and activity controlling inventory of goods in order to meet competitive priorities company to customer demand. In inventory management activities, this includes the process of determining information about estimated demand goods, the amount of inventory currently in the warehouse, inventory of hand, and the size of the order that must be placed for each ordering period, as well as time or period. As time an order is made, inventory is one on the most expensive asset companies by several companies because it can risk of the total investment capital. Therefore, an operational manager must be able to create placing investment in inventory with service to customer. Nah, selanjutnya itu ada cara menghitung persediaan dengan rumus EKIKI. Nah, rumus Economic Order Quality setidaknya menggunakan 3 variabel untuk menghitung jumlah pembelian persediaan yang tepat. Nah, setelah kita mendapatkan variabel dari sistem manajemen persediaan, nah, mudah untuk kita untuk menghitung EKIKI-nya. 3 variabel digunakan untuk menghitung EKIKI itu yaitu D, S, dan H. D mewakili jumlah unit yang diminta setiap tahunnya, sedangkan S itu biaya pemesanannya, sedangkan H itu penyimpanan per unitnya. Jadi rumus EKIKI sebagai berikut. EKIKI sama dengan akar buka kurung 2 kali D dibagi H tutup kurung. Nah, sebagai contoh ini, kita tuh berjualan sebuah sabun batang secara online. Tahun lalu permintaan akan sabun batang sekitar 5.000 buah. Adapun biaya pemesanan rata-rata itu 2.500 dan biaya penyimpanan per unit itu per unit 500 per tahun. Nah, maka perhitungan EKIKI-nya adalah sama dengan, masukkan rumus EKIKI-nya, EKIKI sama dengan akar buka kurung 2 kali D kali S dibagi H sama dengan. Jadi, akar buka kurung 2 kali 5.000 dikali 2.500 dibagi dengan 500. Jadi hasilnya akar 50. Jadi hasil total akhirnya adalah 224 unit. Okay, this all the material I can convey in there are words and sentences that are wrong. I apologize. I hope the material and conveyed is easy to understand. Thank you. See you next time.